If you've been wanting to try mouse pads, then this one's for you. Hey everyone, I'm Brittany, owner of Scott Lane Designs. I create custom gifts and accessories, and today we're going to be making mouse pads. I love making these because there's so much you can do. I do like using my monogram on them, you know, customization. It's just endless. So these are going to be fun and very simple to make. So if you've been wanting to add a new handmade product to your business, then this one is definitely for you. For this project, I am going to be using my Silhouette Studio. And also I'm outside because it is beautiful outside today and I'm soaking in the sun and the beautiful weather. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to pull up our design, and we did get this design from Creative Fabrica. This is a seamless paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one sheet and I'm going to duplicate it, and we are going to make it a longer sheet. And then we're going to duplicate this as well. And we're going to make it a quad and make it one bigger paper. Now I do want this design to pretty much take up the whole sheet. I'd rather my paper be a little bit too big than not big enough and have to reprint it. So we're just going to make this fit the sheet. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do for this design. For our second mouse pad, we're going to do the round one. I did get this design from Creative Fabrica also. I'm going to take this design and put it in a quad also, just so we have a larger paper. It looks great the way it is, but I am going to add a background just because I don't want the white background from the mouse pad. I really love this orange color, so I think this is what we're going to stick with. So we're just going to group everything together. Now we're ready to print, so let's do that. All right, so for this video, we're going to be using our Dye-Trans Pro Spray. For one mouse pad, our heat tape, a square or a rectangle, I guess this is, and a round mouse pad. And then we're also going to be using our sublimation paper from HTV Ront. So we're going to start with our rectangle mouse pad. And I did the cherries because they're so cute and they're very popular right now. So you have to make what's popular if you're going to be adding a new product to your business. And in all of my videos, if I'm using a white substrate that is like the fabric material, I always use a lint roller. You have to lint roll everything multiple times, because if it gets lint on it, then it can turn purple with the high heat that we're using. So I say just lint roll the heck out of it. And if you're looking for a new lint roller, I highly suggest the ones from Amazon. This has become one of my favorite lint rollers. They're like a 4-pack, I think, with like you get 2 of these and then 4 rolls of the sticky stuff. And I think it's like $15, maybe even less. I think maybe I got it for $9.99. But they're way better than the ones in store, to me. Maybe not to everybody, but to me, we love these in our house. All right, so we're going to use the heat tape first. So all you do literally is make your design, flip over your mouse pad. I do have a lot of excess. I'd rather have too much than not enough. I just did the other one, and this is too small. Like it wouldn't even fit the mouse pad, so I had to reprint it out. So I'd rather have too much than have a white spot on the end. All right, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my heat tape and I'm just gonna do a couple little spots. And we're done. So we're ready to press it, but we're gonna go ahead and do the other mouse pad before we press them. All right. Same thing with the round. We're gonna heat press it, but I'm gonna use my spray on this one. All right, so I'm gonna take my spray, take the lid off. I'm gonna go spray it in the trash can so I don't get any overspray over this. But all you literally do is you do one good spritz and it will stick. So just make sure you put it where you want it because it's gonna be tacky, and if you have to move it, that's okay. But with the tack, you literally hold it like that and it sticks. This is why it's becoming one of my favorites. Okay, so let's take this to the heat press and we're gonna press them. So for this mouse pad, we're gonna do 385 degrees at 60 seconds. Make sure you have your heat gloves because these do get hot. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get you in some light so it's not just dark over here. These are adorable. Oh my God, I love the cherries. All right, let's get hot. Same for this one, 385, 60 degrees. Oh my God, this one is so pretty. Look at those colors. Look how it pops with that orange that we added to the back. I mean, I guess it's like a golden yellow orange. That is beautiful. Oh my God. Have to make me one. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope I got your creative juices flowing on making these sublimation mouse pads. Tell me down below if you were team flowers or team cherries. I think I'm more flowers, but they're both super cute. So if you are wanting to add this to your small business, I will say that the mouse pad blanks are about $1.50 to $2. So you can price that as you will. I would love if y'all would give me a thumbs up and a like if you aren't already subscribed. And thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. And I will see y'all next week. All right, bye.